Hey, third grade. Our next writing strategy that we are going to be looking at is dialogue writing. So, dialogue is the words spoken by characters. These words help tell the story and share the thoughts and feelings of the characters. So, there are three parts to dialogue: the names of the characters who are speaking, interesting details that show the thoughts of the characters and help tell the story, and quotation marks. So, we're going to look at an example together called My Day in Court. And then we're going to kind of point out the parts that they just mentioned up here at the top. So, my day in court. Last summer, I got to go to work with my mom to see exactly what she does all day. It was awesome. You see, my mom is a judge, so I got to spend the day watching a trial in her courtroom. I learned a lot, but also had a few questions for her at the end of the day. How do people get to be on the jury? I asked. People in our city take turns being on a jury, Mom explained. First, they get a letter in the mail telling when to come to court. When they get there, they answer a few questions. Then, some people are asked to be on the jury for a few days or maybe even a week or more. That would be the most exciting week ever, I said. You'll have a turn someday, Mom told me. I can't wait to go back to court. Maybe one day I'll be on a jury. Maybe I'll even be a judge like my mom. So if you look up here at this first example, how do people get to be on the jury? I asked. So you can see they have the quotes around it showing that this is exactly what the character said. And then it says, I asked. I, in this instance, is the character. It's showing you who is asking it. So in this case, it was the narrator. But down here it says, people in our city take turns being on a jury, Mom explained. So it's showing you that that is exactly word for word what Mom said in the story. Same with this next big quote down here. This was a longer explanation that the mom was saying in the story. So up here it says the characters are the names which show who is speaking. The quotation marks show their exact words. That's when you use quotes, if you're exactly quoting what they say. And then the details show the characters' feelings and help readers get to know them better. So again, they're not just saying, I said all the time. So here it says words for dialogue. You could also use replied, answered, told, asked, questioned, exclaimed, cried. There's an endless list of words that you can use for dialogue other than said. So this is an example of just what dialogue writing looks like, and you will get to practice with it a little bit more as we learn more about dialogue writing.